Not planning to renew your scholarship this year? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to complete it by the deadline. You will need your reason for not renewing, your partner college and state, cumulative GPA, and credits earned to date. Although you are not required to upload your transcripts, it is helpful to have it ready to answer these questions. Start by going to the ISTS website and log into your account. Find the renewal application titled Renewal Form and click Start. Select I do not wish to renew. Select the reason why you are not renewing. Is it because you are not attending a partner college, not attending college, graduated or will graduate before the fall, or have received permanent residency? Answer your state, partner college, cumulative GPA, credits earned to date, major, graduation date, and degree earned. This is where your transcript will come in handy. Once completed, select Submit and ensure it is marked as completed. Congratulations, but don't forget about us. Stay in touch by following us on all social medias, completing your alumni survey every year, and staying active on the Facebook Scholar group. Good luck.